Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring fuel and delivery are ready. Release the safety lock, then test the valve. A click without flame often means empty tank or blocked nozzle. Once done, top off with correct butane and wait 5 minutes for vapors to equilibrate. Make sure to set the flame adjuster to mid-range so ignition isn't starved or flooded. While you fill, inspect the nozzle and ignition area with a soft brush. This prevents debris from stopping the spark or gas flow. Now focus on the ignition system and airflow. You want to see a strong, visible spark. If sparks are weak, the electrode or piezo needs cleaning or replacement. Carefully clean the electrode and around the piezo with a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. Allow it to dry. Next, test airflow. Press the valve and look for a steady gas stream. If uneven, gently realign the jet or use a fine needle to clear the tiny hole, because restricted flow prevents stable combustion. Finish by fine-tuning and verifying the fix. Adjust the flame screw in small increments. Clockwise reduces, counterclockwise increases, because tiny changes affect performance a lot. If cleaning didn't restore ignition, swap the flint or replace the piezo unit. These wear parts often cause failure. Once replaced, refill and test. If it still won't light, try a fresh can of quality butane to rule out fuel issues, and if problems persist, consider a professional repair or safe disposal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.